To install Python, at first you go to any of your browsers. So I am choosing here Chrome browser, and now I'm just searching here Python download. Now you will get this website www.python.org. So you need to go to this website. This is the official website of Python. Now you can just click here, or you can just come here the downloads and go to this downloads option. As you can see, it is downloading. Okay, so as the downloading is done, let's now just open this. So when installing, make sure to check this box called add python.exe to path. If you don't check this, then this will misbehave and Python will not work correctly. So make sure to add this, check this mark. Okay, now just install now. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is successful.